a few things that you may not think about when living in an RV full-time, or if you're considering living in an RV full-time. You will be doing dishes all the time. Speaking of dirty sinks, you're gonna wanna get used to having filters. I put cheesecloth in mine because I found that that works the best for us, because you don't want all this crap going down your sink after you've done your dishes and clogging up your pipes. The AC being loud, so we installed an extra one in our bedroom, and we try to run that one if it's not too hot, which makes it a lot quieter, especially if you have to work from the RV, which we do. We own a bookkeeping business, and my husband also is a financial controller for a big company and has a lot of meetings, so that is really loud. Something else that we joke about: RVs were put together by gorillas, so everything falls apart, major and small. Our very first trip, our very first stop, when we found out that our RV, the wall was detached. You could see the ground looking at the wall. My husband's super handy, so he went to the store, Ace Hardware or whatever, and got the parts and was able to fix it, and it's been a great fix. So you either need to be handy, or you need to watch some YouTube videos and get handy and make sure you have some tools.